Hey guys, welcome back to the 30-hour review. Bocomal was kind enough to send us this hoodie and these pants, so let's see if they work. All good, except for the burn on my hand. So we can start seeing some of the burn marks that are just kind of there. Yeah, those are just where it impacted. There's no actual burn holes in the front where it hit me. Most of that just kind of deflected off of me and just kind of left those little marks. Again, magnesium burns really, really hot. One of them did make it in my hoodie pocket and made that. And on the pants, you can see where I took most of that. And that one right there got a little hot, but the zipper and the fabric still are together. There's no hole on the inside or the outside of the pants. I did take one and it got trapped right there, and that burnt through on both sides of that pocket, not on the actual pants. Alright guys, welcome back. So, review time. Honestly, out of the two, the hoodie and the pants were my absolute favorite. The multiple pockets on it with the Velcro closures was really nice. It kept a lot of metal shavings out of getting in those pockets. The hoodie was really nice. It was pretty soft, and all these things are water repellent. So like when it's raining outside, it just kind of beads up and rolls right off you. That's really cool. They also claim to be oil resistant. I didn't spill any oil on myself because I'm welding stainless and I really don't deal with that. So like I couldn't tell you, but maybe next time I'll try that. That's something they claim and I believe it. Their fire resistance is pretty great. Nothing actually burned through except for that one that kind of landed in my pocket, and that just made a tiny hole in the inside of the actual pocket. So yeah guys, check out bocomal FR and leave a comment, subscribe for the 30-hour review.